Welcome to ClickTest.org. Today, we're diving into ClickTest.org, your ultimate tool for measuring and improving your clicking speed. Whether you're a gamer looking to dominate in fast-paced battles or just curious about your clicking speed, ClickTest.org is here for you. ClickTest.org isn't just a clicking test. It's a smart AI tool designed to track your performance and offer personalized tips. It accurately records your clicks, time, and ranks your skills with insightful graphs. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, our different modes cater to all levels. And the best part? It's cross-device compatible. Thinking of going premium? With it, you unlock a range of settings to enhance your experience. Customize the color theme, mouse cursor, clicking sound, and even enjoy vibration feedback on mobile devices. Not to mention the engaging clicking ripple effect, background music with volume control and focus mode. But if you choose not to upgrade, you still get the core ClickTest experience. Let's delve into our premium settings to enhance your experience. You can change up the theme for a fresh look, select from a variety of mouse cursors, choose your preferred clicking sound, feel every click with tablet or mobile vibration, create visual flair with the clicking ripple, and set the mood with background music using the volume controller. Plus, for an immersive and distraction-free full-screen experience, make sure to explore our new focus mode option. It's designed to help you stay in the zone and maximize your productivity. Now, let's jump into action. By default, a timer of 5 seconds is already set for you. But if you need more or less time, feel free to adjust it according to your preference. Once you're ready, it's time to put your skills to the test. Click as fast as you can and see how well you can perform. After completing the challenge, a detailed report will appear on your screen with your CPS score. After you've checked your CPS score, simply close the pop-up window. Once that's done, you'll notice a graph on your screen. This graph visually represents your clicks per second over time, allowing you to track and understand your performance more effectively. It's a powerful tool to help you monitor your progress and aim for improvement. Before we continue, don't forget to take a moment and check out your previous records. You'll find them conveniently listed in the Previous Record Tables section. Tracking your progress is a great way to stay motivated and set new goals for yourself. So, aim higher each time and see how far you can go. And here's a bonus for website owners. Get an embed code to add the ClickTest directly to your site, engaging your visitors in a fun and interactive way. Ready to click your way to the top? Visit ClickTest.org and unleash your potential. Happy clicking!